In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find comments on your Meta ads. If you've ever run ads on Meta's platform, you know how important it is to engage with your audience by responding to comments. Not only does this help you understand your customers better, but it also enhances the visibility and reach of your campaigns. So let's dive right into the process to ensure you don't miss any interactions on your ads. First, you'll want to navigate to the Ads Manager. This is the central hub for all your advertising activities on Meta, and you can find it by heading to the Ads Manager section and selecting Manage Ads followed by Ads. Once you're there, take a moment to locate the specific ad you're interested in. This is where all the action happens, and you'll want to make sure you're focused on the right ad to effectively track and respond to comments. After finding the ad in question, the next step is to click on it. This will take you to the detailed view of your ad where you can see various metrics and settings. It's crucial to remember that interacting with your ads and understanding their performance is key to refining your strategies and improving your outcomes. Once you've clicked on your ad, look for the preview option. Clicking preview will give you a look at how your ad appears to your audience, which is essential for understanding the context of any comments made. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with how your content is being displayed to ensure it aligns with your brand's message and goals. Next, it's time to find that share icon. Clicking on this will open up additional settings and options for your ad. Here is where you have the option to view comments on either Facebook or Instagram, depending on where your ad has been published. This feature is incredibly useful, as it allows you to directly access the conversation happening around your ad content. By following these steps, you'll be able to efficiently find and manage comments on your Meta ads, ensuring you're engaging with your audience and maximizing the impact of your advertising efforts. Remember, being proactive in responding to comments not only helps with customer engagement, but also builds a positive reputation for your brand in the digital space. And that's all there is to it. By keeping an eye on your ad comments, you can stay connected with your audience and make the most of your Meta advertising campaigns. Thanks for tuning in, and happy engaging.